Today on Cooking Conspiracy, we are making linguine with clams. You will need clams, oil, pasta, garlic and parsley, white wine. Start with adding your oil and garlic over medium-high heat. Let your garlic cook for about a minute and add your clams. You will cook your clams until they open. When your clams are open, add a glass of white wine and parsley and lower your heat. And allow to simmer while your pasta cooks 2/3 of the directed time on the package. Then transfer your pasta directly into the pan with the clams. Cook until your desired texture and keep the pasta moving. Your pasta is now ready to serve. Subscribe for more content or visit us at cookingconspiracy.com.